My name is Scott Bergsbakken, and thank you for taking the time to listen to this program. Today we're going to discuss the repair and preparation of concrete in a heavy equipment service garage. Corpan Tractor and Heavy Equipment sells big equipment to the DOT, road building industry, the mining industry, etc. They also service those products in-house. And their service bays were a mess. You look here, the black part is generally what it looked like. It's very slippery and unsafe. Our local guy in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada, brought in some of our BDE 1002 and cleaned this section of the concrete. And I said, wow, can you do the rest of the space? So we did the entire space and we did it properly. Step one, obviously get them out of there. We then apply BDE 1002 to the entire floor. BDE is a VOC-free micro-etching masonry cleanser. It prepares the surface of the concrete to receive another coating. It does a great job, works very quickly. So there it is, completed. However, all the oil that is soaked into the concrete over the years is still there, and that oil will come back up and cause a bonding issue for any material applied on top of it. So the next step is to get rid of that oil. We use the 860 GTS microbes, and microbes naturally occur in the soil, and we've taken a particular microbe that consumes hydrocarbons, anything oil-based, and put it into a special liquid food material that keeps them alive but asleep. That's unique to the industry. So you open up the 5-gallon bucket and there's what looks like water to you, but there's 1.1 million microbes per gallon waiting to go to work to get rid of these hydrocarbons. So you spray them onto the concrete floor and they will go down, they will eat the oil-based material. They'll replicate every 20 minutes, and they'll eat their way right through this slab. And when they run out of oil, they die off. And the byproduct of it, these bubbles you see here, are CO2. So upon application of the microbes, we've eliminated the oil from the equation. We're now ready to repair the floor. The first step is MGKrete. MGKrete in most applications is a permanent concrete repair material. Easy to work with, fast setting. MGKrete in 45 minutes is 2600 psi. If you're lucky, your garage floor is 3000 psi. So while it is somewhat fast setting, it's not difficult to work with. Unique to the industry, we can control set times to the utilization of accelerators and retarders. This is what it looks like when it's completed with MGKrete. Now, in most cases, that would be the final repair, because MGKrete is a permanent repair material. In this application, here, here. However, because of the heavy track material, it's appropriate to put a maintenance coat on there so they can clean it every so often. And unique to MGKrete, you can slope it. You can go from feather edge to 1,000,000 feet in one lift or 100 lifts. It bonds to itself. No primers are required. Very fast to work with, very economical. And the secret to it is really two things: the strength and the bond. It ionically bonds to the substrate. Unlike Portland cement-based repair materials, this ionically bonds, and you will not get it off the substrate without taking the substrate with it. As I said earlier, because this is a heavy tracked environment that they want to perform maintenance on occasionally, on top of the MGKrete, we're going to place a coating of JetSet 100. This is an epoxy material, 100% solids. Everybody says that their material is 100% solids, and it is. But the difference here is that we buy exclusively long chain molecules. You can buy short, medium, or long. We buy exclusively long. And that gives you additional cross-linking that creates heavy-duty protection. I have personally used this material, found it easy to use, and I have it in my garage and not a mark on it after 5 years. It's fantastic, and you can hit it with a hammer. Here they're applying the JetSet 100. It's easy to put down, roller, squeegee, goes quickly. 2 coats, east to west, north to south. So now you have a maintenance coating on top of the MGKrete that they'll be able to maintain easily for years to come. Again, thank you for taking the time to listen to us today. Please contact us at IMCO Technologies. Have a great day.